My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Bl00dyAdmin. This is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And then this ransomware encrypts files and appends this CRYPT extension to the file names. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the desktop background. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application. The antivirus application is called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software through this official website. Install it, and once it gets installed, start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and the removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. But Combo Cleaner actually helps to remove this ransomware and other infections effectively. You may also upgrade to Premium and request trial. This way your computer will be free of all other possibly concealed threats that could possibly still remain on your computer. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the infections. You will be able to know their exact locations, and of course, certain threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium license. This way, as I said, you can ask for the free trial and therefore fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner, and thus you can set your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden infections which could still stealthily remain on your system. Not only ransomware like that, but you can also remove any other threats like adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted applications, and other types of threats. Also, in the description to this video, you will find a special link which will guide you to a special article that will help you to understand some possibilities of recovering your encrypted data.